What's up, guys? Monty coming here. I just want to spread a little message here about prospecting and this online world that we live in, and the internet has so much noise and so much garbage that sometimes it takes us away from what really matters in prospecting. And what's funny is people ask questions. Well, how do you prospect, and how do you get people into your business? Well, just ask, right? All right. Every person that you encounter, every person that you talk to, you need to ask. Just ask. If they tell you no, that's their problem, So think about it. This is what I would like you to do. For every person that you get in contact with for the next 7 days, whoever's watching this video from wherever space you're coming in, every person, just ask, are you open? Are you open to looking at something that I do? Even if you want to do it part-time, would you like to make a little extra money, put a little extra money in your pocket? All right, would you like to see what I do? All right, find a reason, find problems, ask questions, to the local person that you get coffee at in the morning. If you go to work and you have a routine and you've built relationships with people, just ask questions. Hey, would you be interested in seeing what I do? Right? How easy is this? And we make it all out to be so difficult. And if you have an upline, or you have somebody that that you can bounce off of, somebody that's had success, get them on the phone, get them on a three-way call with somebody. All right, so just try to get rid of all the noise in your head and all the prospecting problems that we have that go in between our ears, and this person, I'm not going to ask this person because they're not going to like it. Well, you know what? Maybe they won't like it, but if you don't ask, how do you know, right? All right, now I've learned this through My Lead System Pro and some leaders inside of it, and it's all inside your head. If you want to be successful in business, you got to talk. This is a relationship business, right? So, stop making excuses. Stop saying that, I'm not recruiting people. I'm not getting people in my business. Maybe it's time to find a attraction marketing system like My Lead System Pro, with leaders inside who are going to train you how to do this, all right? Get you out of the rat race, right? So with that said, I'm fired up because, I did it. I used to do it. I used to say, nah, this person won't like it, or that person. You know what? Who cares? If they don't like it, they don't like it. If they don't like your opportunity, if they don't like your opportunity, if they don't see the value in the space that you're coming from, all right, that's their problem. Get it out of your head. Get the noise out, all right? So just a little bit of a prospecting tip, and who cares? 9 out of 10 people may not recruit. You may not recruit 9 out of 10, but that one person might crush it. You might not know. It could be the truck driver or the landscaper or the doctor or the lawyer. It doesn't matter who it is. Just ask, right? All right, so I'm fired up. Click on the link below. Come on inside. Come to my blog. Leave a voicemail, all right? This is Monty from New Jersey. I'm out. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I hope you get a little inspiration out. Just ask. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter if they say no. It's not your problem, all right? With that, have an awesome day, and I'll be talking to you soon.